Have you wondered what really happens when you type a website name like www.google.com into your browser? In this video, we will break down exactly how the website works, what happens between your browser, the server, and the internet, in the simple technical terms. A website is basically a collection of files like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, and videos stored on the computer called a web server. When you visit a website, your device, known as a client, requests those files through the internet and your browser displays them on your screen. When you type web address like www.google.com, your browser does not understand names. It needs to website IP address, a numerical label that identifies the server on the internet. To find it, the browser asks a system called the DNS, domain name system. DNS works like a phone book. It converts the domain name into the correct IP address so browser can locate the right server. Once the IP address is known, your browser sends a request to the web server using the HTTP or HTTPS protocol. This request usually asks for the specific file, like index.html, the main page of the most website. If the connection is secure, HTTPS encrypts the data to keep it safe from the hackers. The web server receives the browser request. If it's simple static website, it directly returns the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. If it is dynamic website like e-commerce site, the server may run code using the languages like PHP, Node.js, or Python to generate content before the sending it back. After receiving the files, your browser starts rendering the pages. It reads the HTML structure, it loads the CSS style the content, it executes JavaScript for interactivity. This process happens in milliseconds and the final result is the web page you see. So next time you open the website, remember there is a whole network of servers, requests and responses working behind the scenes to load that single page. In the next video, we will start learning HTML, the foundation of every website. So thanks for watching. See you in next video.